Hi guys. Mag-make up tayong dalawa guys. Nalagay ko na yung ngipin ko guys kasi di ba natanggal na yan. Tapos ito guys, maglalagay na ako ng aking primer. Nalagay ko na guys. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng kunting lipstick guys. Kunting-kunti lang guys. Ayan. Ganun. Kunti lang na ako naglagay guys kasi ay naku, maimbiyang na ang mga tao sa mundo guys. At sasabihin nila na ano. Ayan guys. Paano ko ba sasabihin? Ayan. Ngayon guys, meron akong pipick upin na ano, okra sa kasama ko. Okra. And bibili ako ng maraming biscuit. Wala. Kasi dadalhin ko doon sa mga apo ko. I think this morning. That must be Friday. First Friday of the month. Mukha na bang tao guys? Kasi yung ngipin ko na putol guys. Kaya ganan ako ng ganon kasi naglagay ako ng ano, glue. Ayan. Tapos ganyan. Kunting ano lang. Ayan oh. May kunting ano, tangos. Kunting tangos lang guys, ganyan ginagawa ko kasi para medyo ma-emphasize ng kunti yung nose ko na flatten. For all the sudden, ano, maarte talaga ako guys, noon pa man. Kaya lang, what can we do? Miski na ba anong kaartihan mo, pag hindi ka gusto ng tao, hindi ka talaga gugustuhin. Ganyan, nangyayari din sa amin guys, doon sa probinsya namin. Sa aming bukid. Maraming mga itsesera. Inaaway ako ng walang dahilan, magagalit sa akin ng walang dahilan. Nga nung mga suko mo guys. Ha? Mga suko man mo without reason. Yeah, that is my question. Why you get mad without the reason? Yan. Ganyan lang. Gwapagwapahan lang, guys. Oo. Ano pa? Inumin ko yung aking vitamin C. Look, mayroon akong blush. Hindi ako naligo, guys. Hindi naman po bawal ang hindi maligo. Ano ba to? 94% pa yung aking battery. So, which is good. Nandito yung money. Kasi guys, mag-ano ako. Bibiling, sinabihan ko ng kaibigan. Kasama ko sa work na naging friend ko na siya. I like her. I really like her. And her name is Yano. Yano, she said that. Oh, Elizabeth, do you like some plantain I have in my house? I said, yes. And how much is it? Nah, I'm gonna bring tomorrow. We'll see how much. So, yeah. I bought some money. Not 5 pounds. I think That is, the banana, plantain is 5 pounds. So, my plantain here still not ripe. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, I love this. Vitamin C. And as well, I'm going to have a hot water after this. Kasi sabi nila, kailangan talagang vitamin C pag umiinom ka ng iron and B-complex and zinc. Hindi daw yung gagana guys pag hindi ka uminom nun. Wala, sige, inom tayo. Yes. I drank my vitamin C 1,000 ml. 1,000 milligram yan eh. Yung 1 tablet of vitamin C. Masarap kasi. All of a sudden, ayan, mayroon akong luto guys. Hindi ko na nga pala nag-video guys, pero hindi. Sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo. And then tomorrow, I gonna make a video in the morning. And then now, I gonna put a hot water here in my mug. Hot water. Yes. Because before I go to work, I must have this. Just to make you feel warm. You know, when you go out and in a cold weather. Ganun lang guys. Make yourself warm. So, bago ako magsusuot ng jackets, yan, inaano ko na yan. Iniinom ko na yan. So, myself is warm. Make myself warm. And of course, where is my, I have my thing here. Ayan, guys. That's a proper one. Don't go much. Don't go much. Kasi guys, magsusot ako ng aking trouser. Hindi ko na pakita guys. Kasi paano naman yun? Ipakita pa natin yung ating mga chinga. Yung kasama ko, sabi niya, i-charge mo na lang dyan, Ate Beth, kapag ano, no, I'm not doing the charging there. Sus ko, bago-bago pa ng cellphone ko, ha? 3 days pa lang yung cellphone ko! Charge mo lang daw dyan. Eh, kung wala yun. Sabi ko, hindi. Hindi ko naman talaga gamit na gamit ang cellphone. Only if, yung break time, then, I do contact my husband first, my break time, and I do agoy, ito na yun guys, kasi i-exercise na naman po ako guys. This is what gonna happen is, kasi ito talaga yung ano ko. Before I go to work, I make myself ready for ready for my exercise, and I'm going to fix this one later. Now na, not later. Because pag si Alexa is gonna say, bang, wang, 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 then must be okay. Oh, sorry guys, kasi it's my tripod. Yeah. My tripod there. Thank you guys. See you soon. See you again. Bye bye.